Okay, hello all. In this video, we will have more examples and more different, very interesting questions for multiplication of polynomial. That means that it's a little bit harder. But it's not difficult for you to do the calculation. So let me do the teaching example for you, and then you will also do the correct practice by yourself. And I will show you the answer only for the correct practice 12.10. So make sure that you know how to do this. Okay, now let's have a teaching example. This is 7 times 2x minus 3y. So we will do it by myself first. Okay, in the last lesson, we have told you that. Okay, let me copy the questions. You know that the first step we will use the 7, we share both of them. So we have the 7 times 2x minus 7 times 3y. And then we can finish the calculation. So the answer for this one is 14x minus 21y. So we finish part A. And for part B, it's nothing different because 4r minus 3s times the negative 2t. The two bracket can be interchanged for the both sides for multiplication. So that's okay. So we will use 4r times negative 2t minus 3s times negative 2t. We will also get the same way. So this one is negative 8rt. Negative and negative, this is positive 6st. So we finish the part B also. For part C, there's no difficult because also, although we have 3 terms, we will do the same thing because m times 6 plus 8m minus 3m squared. We will do the same thing. M times 6, the first thing, copy the addition side, and then m times 8m, okay, and then minus m times 3m squared. M for 6, m for 8m, m for 3m squared. So we will have the same thing. So we have 6m plus 8 times m is m squared. So please pay attention, not times together. 3 and m times m squared, that's m cubed. So m cubed. So we finished these 3 questions. And now I will give you 30 seconds. So please do the quick practice 12.10 by yourself. Not 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute because you have 3 questions. So that I will show you the answer directly. Okay, now do it now. Okay, now I will show you the answer for the quick practice 12.10. So if you cannot finish, just pause the video now. Okay, now the answer for part A, I will just say the answer is 5c minus 15d. Okay, no more step. And the second one is negative 3pq minus 6pr. Okay. The third one is that the answer is x squared minus 2xy plus x. Okay, so you finish all these 3 answers. Okay. So this is the answer for the quick practice 12.10. You will see that I can see the answer directly because I do many questions here. So if you can, the final destination, that means your final finishing point, you must do is something like me, just what I'm doing now. So make sure that you can do it quick, and even you can do it in a very faster way to solve the problem. Okay, now we will go to the teaching example 12.11. That means this is the last example in this video. This time you will see I will include the multiplication and the addition at the same time. So don't be afraid because in the calculation is just the same way. Because every time in your primary school we will do the multiplication and division first. And finally we will do the addition and subtraction. So it is the same way. We will not do this one. We will do the part in the behind. So we will do the multiplication for negative 2x to here, and then we will let negative 18x, and then we will add them or minus them afterward. So let's do it now. Okay, we have negative 18x plus 7x minus 4 times negative 2x. Okay, now we will do it. First of all, because we do not do anything on this negative 18x, so we just copy it. And then plus, we will use this 7x times negative 2x plus negative 4 times negative 2x. Okay, so we have the same thing. You just do the minus, is also minus 4 times 2x is also okay. So this time is negative 18x minus 14x squared. And then finally, negative 4 times negative 2, this is plus x. And then now, we can do the addition and subtraction. So we have two like terms, that is negative 18x and plus 8x. So we will add them all together. So this one is negative 10. So the final answer, negative 14x squared minus 10x. And then we can finish part A. So for part B, we will do the same thing. For part B, this time is x times 3 minus 2x minus 4x 5 minus x. So let's do it one by one. Okay, now let's do this one first. First of all, this one is multiplication. We do it first. X times 3 minus x times 2x. Next, I suggest you use this method. You will use the addition. And we will use this block times both these two again, so that you will never get wrong. Negative LX times 5 plus negative 4x times negative 6. That is what we do in the multiplication of 2 terms times 2 terms. So if you cannot get it right, you can look at the video for the next exercise. That is the exercise 8, so that you can do these two both of them at the same time, so you can solve the problem directly. Okay, now this one is one by one. This is 3x. This is minus 2x squared. This is minus 20x. And finally, this one is plus 4x squared. So we can highlight which two we can add together. First of all, we can add the 3x and negative 20x. This is the first part of it. The next one we will add is the negative 2x squared and plus 4x squared. So we will do it one by one. We will do the green one first because it's the x squared, which is greater. So 4 minus 2 is 2x squared. And then 3 minus 20, that is negative 17x. So we finish this part directly. Okay, now we will let you time to do the quick practice 12.11. So I will give you 1 minute, so please do it now. Okay, now I will tell you the answer directly. So if you cannot finish, just pause the video now. Okay, now for part A, the answer of this one is 2a squared minus a. Okay, this is the final answer. For part B, you will see the answer will be negative 5b squared, and then the answer is negative 4b for this answer is for part B. So this is the answer for the quick practice 12.11. So this is the end of the video. So make sure that you know how to do the calculation that with one term and with the two terms of other term in the multiplication of the polynomial. So this is the end of the video. Bye bye.